Thutha wa mururungano wa arutwo aya muthenya wa ira, aciari marandekeirwo ndumiriri nguhi makimenyithio arutwo othe ni megucoka mucii kuria riu thukuru uyu uhingitwo kwa ihinda ritoikaine. Arutwo aya mararurunganite magiteta ni kwaga guthikiririo ni mwarimu munene wa thukuru uyu, makiuga ni gukoretwo na ciiko cia arutwo kuhahamwo kimwiri ni andu matoikaine. Wa ica ikuhi ari murutwo uria wanyitirwo kia hinya kiumia kihituku, no urugamiriri wa thukuru uyu ugiteaniria ndeto ino.
We are not Samanthas in school. We came to school to read. We did not come here to be molested. Alafu wanaita witnesses, wanawaambia wakanyagia story ama watajua prince ni nani. They are threatening us.
Kurumirira giko giki, riu muikariri giti wa kiama kia atumia a bunge uria ningi nowe murugamiriri wa atumia thiini wa bunge ya kaunti ya Kiambu Gathoni wa Mucoba riu ni oritie uthuthuria baranginyo gukorwo gitafanio, akiuga kwahoteka aria marekuirwo kuruta mitugo ino no andu aria mehokeirwo kurora arutwo.
Because I know the girls are defenseless, and if the school management cannot listen to them and cannot act on such allegations, then I wonder why we have a Ministry of Education in place. And therefore, I want to request that the Ministry of Education, the Ministry of Interior, to take serious measures to make sure that those allegations are properly investigated. Justice for shame.
Mahinda kwa mahinda riria ciiko ta ici ciahanika, makinya maria magiriire matitacukagirio ekuirwo, akiuga marekagiririo guthie na mbere na mitugo ino ya unyamu.
Kwa sababu tumezoea mwalimu akishukiwa ya kwamba ana harass wasichana sexually ama ana molest wasichana ama watoto, instead of kufutwa na kublacklistiwa asiingie kwa shule ingine, anafanywa transfer. So we transfer a problem from one region to the other, and that must stop.
Gathoni augite ni kieha kuona ciiko ta ici itegwikirirwo na urito, akiranira gutigirira kihoto ni giakinyirwo.
Waziri Magoha, Waziri Matiang'i na wale wote ambao wanasimamia security katika eneo hilo, we are waiting to hear that you have concluded the investigations and the perpetrators are brought to book.
Kwa ihinda riri arutwo aya meguthie na mbere guikara mucii o riri uthuthuria wambikitwo niguo kumenya oma wa ndeto ino. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Wadirwa.